Hello, Clear Brown, North Dallas. Finishing up a full paint protection film installation on a 2021 Ram TRX. Let's take a look at what we got and how we take care of these. So here we go, wrapping in all these edges, coming around, wrapping this fender in where the hood is, wrapping in all this, removing this to get all our edges wrapped around, coming in over here, wrapping everything in nicely. No issues with the film up top, making sure everything's nice and glossy. Coming around, wrapping this edge all the way around. Coming in, wrapping these corners all the way. Everything getting wrapped in. Everything coming in nicely. Doors, fenders, all getting wrapped in. All this getting wrapped in. Coming in, wrapping in. Let's come up top here, wrapping in up here as well. Wrapping in those A-pillars. Getting that whole roof line wrapped in. Getting the back side of that hood all wrapped in. Everything gets a full wrap all the way around, all the way to the bottom. All those rockers getting wrapped in. Everything looking good. All this is in one full section. So the door, we start at the top with one full piece, come all the way down to the bottom of the door. We don't do this in two sections, the orange and the black, all one piece. Coming around, getting this box wrapped in. The bed wrapped in. It goes into about this rubber piece here. And we come in and wrap it in around the window all the way. And we come around this side and take out these lights here. Wrap everything underneath. This is a separate piece. So you got this piece and then the light. We remove these letters. They got set holes, so if you ever decide to take them off because you don't want them, don't. They've got good over a dozen holes for all these letters together. You'd have to do body work or get a new tailgate without the holes, but a lot of holes underneath. So the whole gate's wrapped in all the way along the bottom, up in the top. Oh, there we go, all the way wrapped in underneath this rubber trim. Same thing on this light. Light came out, this piece comes out, everything wrapped in. Much of the same on this side. Obviously the fuel cap door is wrapped in, and all this is wrapped in here, so we don't have any lines. And everything just looks fantastic. So there it is, 2021 TRX, nice color orange. If you're gonna get something fast, make it loud. And there you go, fully wrapped XPEL Ultimate Plus with a ceramic coating going on after it gets back from Hennessy. This one's on its way to Hennessy to get a few hundred more horsepower added to it, and then we're gonna ceramic coat it after Hennessy puts all their stickers over the paint protection film. So there you go, folks, clearbrownnorthdallas.com if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.